Hey everybody, Grady with Simply Bake Fishing. We're out here at Tywappiti Lake. Me and my wife are out here. We're going to see what's going to bite for us. We ain't been fishing in a few days. Hopefully we'll get something. We're just using regular wiggle worms uh, on a regular catfish hook. We'll see what this lake gives us. We're sitting on the dock at Tywappiti Lake in Chaffee, Missouri. They say there's some good fish in here, but I don't know where you have to go to find them at. We're going to find out what happens. We ain't got my buddy Liam here today. He's a real fisherman of the family. He gets excited when he sees the wind blow the pole, but he catches them. We got more people out here going fishing. We got a boat dock over there, but this is about simply bait fishing. I'm getting a little bit of a nibble on there. We'll see what happens. If I go quiet, don't think nothing about it. We're still here. I just got a little bit of a scratchy throat. Really don't feel like talking a whole lot. But if they let me, I'd fish off my dying bed. Whatever that is hitting my pole pretty hard. I hope it ain't a turtle. Huh? Don't want a turtle. Turtle won't do us no good. We don't eat turtles. We eat catfish. It's a beautiful lake, y'all. I don't know if you can see or not, but the water, let me bring it up here for you. The water's up pretty high here. Got a lot of grass covered areas, but I'm not trying for bass today. I don't know nothing about this lake. I bass fished it, but I ain't never straight line fish, catfish, whatever you call it. Uh, I don't know if you need a fish off the bottom, off the top. I know I'm getting good bites on this black pole. Just little nibbles right now, but he gets hungry enough, he'll take it. Huh? You don't eat it all first. You might eat it all. Oops, I still got y'all in the close up. Sorry about the shaking. It's a little windy and my hands shake a little bit. Boys, if you gotta marry somebody that loves to hunt and fish with you. I guess you love to hunt and fish with me. You ain't just coming out here just to make sure I ain't doing bad things. I like the fishing, but the hunting, but it's cold with us when we go hunting. I don't like the cold too much. But you suit up and go hunting with me. I could be with you. Oh, That's the reason why you come with us. Hey guys, y'all get a chance. Go over and check out, like and subscribe. Come on 360, come on Homestead. Fired Up Fridays. Check out Simple Life Reclaim. SLR. Check out Dreaming Drifters 5, DD5. Uh, there's a lot more, and it's real educational. Check out Spencer. Uh, I can't think of all of them. There's too many of them I watch on fishing channels. Uh, check out that Louisiana Life. That's a real good one. Uh, the Crockers. Coffee with the Crockers. Uh, South Texas Roots. Check all them out. Like them and subscribe them. Check out Fishing with Smalls. That guy right there will crack you up while he's fishing. He'll either catch them fish or he'll jump in and grab them. I don't know if we'll get anything today. I'm just getting back into it. One of these days we're going to do a live on the ditch bank. Snakes and ticks are so bad this year. It can't hardly go nowhere unless you go somewhere like this. Sure is beautiful and peaceful out here, ain't it? My dad always said if you go to a place and it's full of minnows, it's got to be full of fish. Some mama laid them minnows. Well, this place is full of minnows around here. Lord Shore got some beautiful creations. Y'all take a look at this. That shit's beautiful. Everywhere you look, it's just beautiful. There's where you come in at, to the lake. Some more fishing shows is AO Fishing. And there's one, I can't remember his name. He's a preacher. You'll hear the word of God while he's fishing. Ain't it something sticks? Whoa, you're getting a good bite there. Feels good to come out here for a day instead of having to worry about loading it up and going and working somewhere. Well, I tell y'all what, I mow yards and my mower tires, oh, they all shot to heck. I had to change them all, so I used the bumper on my truck and a floor jack to break the tires down. Well, this tire yesterday broke down real easy, came off the rim real easy. The new tire got put back on the rim real easy. But airing it up, and believe this or not, took me 6 hours and 13 minutes to air that tire up. I like to never got it popped on the rim. I told my wife on the way home we was gonna go get her little grandboy, little Liam Carter, the real fisherman of the family. We was gonna go get him, and he decided he wanted to stay home and play with his cousin, which he's 5. That's what kids do. And I told my wife, I said, I ain't working today. I ain't got to worry about my baby. We're going to load up and go fishing. She said, I've been asking you to do that all week. Every morning she wakes up, what are we doing today? I got this yard or that yard to mow, or I ain't got nothing planned, just going to do whatever I do. Well, we could go fishing. Yeah, we could. That gum gas, $4.50 a gallon.
It's crazy.
I love my president, y'all, the commander in chief of this country. I voted for Donald Trump both times, wouldn't have it any other way. But at least Joe Biden kept the gas under $5 a gallon. And that nut didn't know what he was doing. Maybe that's why it was so cheap. He didn't know how to raise the prices. Hey, if y'all will, keep our troops, men and women, in your prayers. This war is getting to be a dangerous war. It decides the fate of our country. They're over there fighting it so we don't have to. They're over there risking their lives so we can come out here and sit on a ditch bank. Good Lord, I've been on this thing almost 15 minutes. Sorry, y'all, they ain't biting yet. You know, I don't exactly know when they let the feeders out down there to feed the fish. Might have come out here right at feeding time. We're going to run it a little while longer and hopefully we'll catch something for the people to see. If not, maybe we'll get one on the next one. We don't always catch them, people. Sometimes you fish all day long for 12 hours and don't even get a bite. But it's the thrill of knowing that you could get a bite. Well, that's what keeps me going. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, I about lost your bow, and I think it was too late when she jerked it. Well, focus y'all on her little pink pole. Y'all, she's got 3 fishing rods, and all 3 of them are pink. I got a lot of fishing poles, y'all. I'll be glad to be able to go over to the river, take my river pole, let y'all see that one. It's bigger than me. I'm gonna focus back on my pole. You let that one go.
No, I think he's still on there though.
Is he still on there?
I don't think so.
Well, catch him for the people.
Well, I'm trying. I'm gonna wait.
One of us needs to catch one for the people.
I know, but what if it was a turtle? That I want a turtle. Liam would. He'd say he'd take it home and make it a pet. You know, well, I'm not lost either. I don't know.
Y'all, we don't use no fish finders, no monitors. We don't do nothing like that. We just bait our rods, throw it out. Just simply bank fishing is all we do. We don't have no big boats. We don't go out in the middle of the ocean. We just hope and pray to God for a good turnout on our local lakes and rivers.
I don't know if he's still there or not.
Huh?
I don't know if he's still in there or not. No, I don't want to pull it in case he is. And if he's stuck in there, and
Go ahead, Smalls does.
what?
Jump in.
No, I ain't jumping in there. I don't know how to swim.
I do. I can teach you real fast.
That's okay.
Once your butt hits that water, you swim. That's the way my daddy taught me.
And then I'd be scared or cold or both.
Huh?
Scared, cold, or both. The water's pretty cold. And then I lost that fish. Hmm.
I wish I could remember all them other fishing shows.
I know there's a lot of them. You watch them all.
Uh, I do know Hagen fishing's a good one. He's catfishing. He fishes the Ohio River and Missouri River,
Yeah.
but he does all night fishing.
Yeah.
He does good at it.
Yeah, he's the one that's got them glow in the dark poles.
Huh?
He's the one that's got all them glow in the dark poles.
Yeah.
Yeah, he fishes. Yeah.
I think y'all would like White Rock Homesteaders. Uh, Ridge Life. That's a good
Oh,
one.
yeah, that is a good one. I like that one.
You get another bite on that little pink nightmare. We'll see what happens. All right, y'all. I've been boring y'all for 21 minutes. Almost 20 minutes. Uh, that's Teresa, my wife.
Hello.
I'm Grady. And we're going to sign off here, see what we catch. And if y'all ain't doing nothing else, grab a pole and we'll see you on the water.